is everything. What is meant to be will be.
I want a new intro to my videos. I want something turned up. So I'm trying to figure out what I should say. So I'm tired of saying, hey everyone, what's up? I'm gonna be here. No, I wanna say something fun. I don't know, I gotta think of something. But anyways, hey y'all, so I'm back. I'm back. So like I promised you guys, I'm coming back to show y'all my hair after, it's been about 3 days, three or 4 days since I braided out my hair, and it's a mess up under here because I'll be wearing this little wig cap under my wigs and my hair be getting frizzy and stuff. But this is the Blue Magic reveal. So I'm gonna take these braids and stuff out that I had did, and I'm actually not even going to use like any oil or anything. I'm just gonna take it out. Like, I want to see how my hair is, if my hair is moisturized. I don't really too much care about definition, honestly. Y'all know me, I don't really care about that, but I'm just gonna take it out and see how my hair is, what the Blue Magic did to my hair. Like, is my hair moisturized still? Because honestly, I can't tell if it's still moisturized because, ooh, it is. Like, when it's braided down, I can't really tell until like I take my hair out. That's how I'll know like if it's dry or not, or what's going on with it. But it is a frizzy mess. Y'all see my head? Like, my braids and stuff don't hold well because my hair is really like soft and fine. So for whatever reason, my braids always get so frizzy. So yeah, I promised y'all that I was gonna take this down on camera. So here I am today. Okay, let's see. It feels good. Like, it's soft. It's still really moisturized. I got some breakage right here. Yeah, my hair always breaks off right there. I'm to the point where I don't even care. Like, I mean, I do care, but some stuff is out of my control. My hair always breaks right there. It don't matter what I do to it. I can deep condition every day of my life, and my hair will still break off right here. Like, it is legit broken off. Like, what? Honey, I'm over it. I'm gonna start taking some hair vitamins as soon as I find one that I really like. Because I feel like all the ones I tried, they've been okay, but they're just kind of like, whatever. You know? I gotta find a good one. I want to try that Curls liquid one. Let me know in the comments if y'all tried that Curls liquid one. Because I want to see what it's like. Or is it good, or what's up with it? Because I've been seeing a lot of people do it. And then I feel like if you're drinking a vitamin, a liquid vitamin, it's going to get in your system a lot quicker. So I think I'm going to start drinking that. But I think it's like $15. See, I don't know. I'm going to go check it out at Target or somewhere. Because I know that's the only place I'll probably be able to find it around here. So I got the front of my hair out. Y'all probably be thinking, don't nothing go wrong with my hair. Trust me, I'm just like y'all. My hair do the fool on me. Some days it act right, some days it's a mess. I just have learned to work with it. I have kind of decided that I'm going to let my hair grow. I was going to cut my hair again at the end of this year, but I'm not. The only way I'm going to cut it is if it gets really bad, like to the point where it's just breaking. But usually my hair doesn't typically break because of like me not taking care of it. It's breaking because of health reasons. And I'm not like ill or anything, y'all. It's just, I don't know, my hormones are weird. I have iron deficiency, stuff like that. That's usually what breaks my hair. It has nothing to do with me not taking care of my hair and stuff like that. Because y'all know I take care of my hair, honestly. But, honey, I got a lot of definition in the back. I don't know what happened to the front. Well, I kind of did these sloppy in the front, so I'm pretty sure I'm not going to have no definition. And look at my hands. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my hands are shiny because my hair is still really moist. Y'all, yeah, I think I'm gonna be using that Blue Magic to braid my hair down when I got braids and stuff, because my hair is so moist. Yeah, this is it for real. It feels real nice. Okay, but I'm gonna finish taking this out and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I done zoomed y'all on in. Look at my hands. Like, let me show y'all my hands. I don't know if y'all can tell on the camera, but my hands are so slippery, so glossy. So Y'all, my hair feels great. And it looks great. Like, well, the front is a little straggly because I didn't do my braids really tight at the front. But look at this definition at the back, child. Look at this definition. Look. Look. Wow, but I need to, well, y'all know natural hair is wild. I need to just get my pick and pick it. And it's moist. Like, it's really moist. And it actually gave me definition. So, I'm about to style my hair, I guess. And a little style, I don't really know. I'm not really about to do anything major to it. I'm probably just going to put it in a ponytail. Yeah, that's what I'll probably do. Since it's so stretched out in the front because I did my braids lazy. Yeah, I'm about to get some gel. I need to go buy a new one of these. I don't know why I don't got a big one. Because every time I go to the store, they don't really have a big one. The medium-sized one. They always have that super large one. I'm just like, I'm not going to do anything with that. Although I would probably use it, but it's just not ideal for my hair tutorials. Like, I'm going to pick that up and show y'all what gel I'm using. That big old thing. Y'all probably know what I'm talking about. That's at the hair store. So I'm just putting some gel. But y'all, that Blue Magic, I'm about to use that all the time to braid my hair down under my wigs because my hair is still moist. And y'all always ask me, well, I'm not going to play y'all like y'all always ask me, but I do get comments. They'd be like, Mona, how do you maintain your hair under your wigs? And that's how I'm going to start. That's going to be the new thing. Because when I tell y'all my hair feels so good and moist, it feels so good and moist. So I'm going to just take one of these hair ties. I accidentally bought these ones with the little metal clasps at the back. I don't like them because they snag your natural hair or your hair in general. But I have to use them because I didn't look at the back. Like, you know how like when you at the beauty supply, you pick something up. But I didn't even look at the back of it to see like what was going on with it. I think that's just how I'm going to do my hair. Could wrap some Marley hair around it, but I'm not about to do all that today. I'm just going to lay down my edges. Y'all know y'all don't have to lay down y'all edges, but I don't know. My edges aren't kinky. Like, my edges are really fine and straight. And if I don't lay them down, my hair just looks weird. Like, if I had kinkier edges, I could let them just go. But they just look so weird not laid down. Because they're straight. Like, I don't have kinkier edges. And sometimes I do because when you got thicker edges, like, it looks fuller. My edges don't really look that full. So if you got kinky edges, girl, embrace them. Here's my pick. So let's see if we can work some fluff and magic. Kind of like Bozo the Clown. So this is the end result of what I came up with. I don't really, this is cute, but I don't like first day hair. I'm not one to like first day hair. I love second day hair. That's when my hair looks the best because y'all know my hair is fine. So I can't explain what I'm trying to say. It gets fuller as the days go on and like, I don't know, bigger. But yes, it's so, well, not bigger, but it just gets fuller. But yes, yeah, I'm messing with that Blue Magic. I actually really miss my natural hair. Like, I feel like I don't wear it out as much as I used to. And I'm missing it. Surprisingly, it's not weighed down. That's what I think I'm really mostly surprised about. Because you would think because that Blue Magic is so heavy and like thick, you would think your hair would be weighed down. But honestly, my hair is not weighed down. Yes, I'm here for it. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.